Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel NCERT Mitra. So previously we already finished a number of chapters. If you have not seen that video, you can easily visit my YouTube channel NCERT Mitra and you can watch this. Today we are going to start a new chapter that is known as the industries. Before actually starting this, we have to know what is the proper definition of the industries. First thing, in the definition of the industry, if you want to discuss, so there you can say that a common and the traditional definition of the food processing industry refers to that part of manufacturing, that the process of the raw material and intermediate product derived from the agriculture sector. So whatever we are getting from the agriculture sector, that changes into a finished product. So input would be there and output also would be there. So if you take example of, that is what is the industry, means the cotton we are getting from the agriculture in Gujarat, in Andhra Pradesh. So this cotton, when we use to make this thread and thread the cloth, and from cloth we can get the different type of the t-shirt, different type of the cloths. So this, the primary activity or whatever we getting, that is known as the cotton, but somehow that change into the secondary activity. So this thing we have to understand. Food processing industry means the transfer of the food from the agriculture, forestry and fisheries. Agriculture, pickling or the pickle industry. Mango, we are getting the green mango from there. The farmers or the, you can see the industrialized, they are making the pickles. So that can be sold into the market. So this is also the, what is the industries. This is known as the also the manufacturing. And this, you can see that this is the secondary activity. Our GDP is also depend on this secondary activity. Examples, the industries that use agriculture, fishery, forest products as a raw material comprise the very, you can see the very varied groups, and they range from the simple preservation such as the sun drying operations. So we can relate it to the harvesting product by the modern use of the technology that can textiles and articles of the textile. So these are paper industry. So whatever the agriculture from the primary activity we are getting, that has to be changed into the secondary activity. So this is known as the what? This is known as the industries. Perhaps you can see the next slide, that is very important. Importance of the industries. In my background, perhaps you can see that is economic progress. Actually, India is considered as the agrarian country, but somehow we started number of industry, iron industry, steel industry, cotton textile industry, cement industry, IT industry already started. So for developing your country, for agriculture sector as well as the, we can also develop the secondary activity, that is economic activity, and our GDP 17 to 18% GDP shared by the secondary activity or the industries. Economic development only occur because sometimes we are not getting the proper profit from the primary activity. So that time most of the industrialized, most of the they set up the more and more industry and set up the industry as a whole, okay, and try to get the profit. Then come to the satisfaction of the human wants, means whatever the production primary activity we are getting, that is not sufficient to satisfy our needs. So human wants more. So that's why the convert in the all season. So that's why they want to convert the all primary, you can see the product into secondary that can preserve a long time and we can get it. Employment, primary activity, most of the farmer, you can see the about 58% population, they are engaged in the agriculture, but rest of the, they also develop who don't want to do the agriculture, they do the employment in the sector of the industry. or manufacturing. Income also increase because a large profit we can get by this. So this should be optimum resource of the utilization. So whatever the utilization or we are getting the resource from the agriculture, from the mining, so that should be used in a sustained manner. So these are the main thing, or the main 6 points importance of the industries. Then on the basis of raw material, industry can be divided. If you say industry on the basis of raw material, agro-based and mineral-based industry, we'll discuss a lot about this. On the basis of capital investment, that is the large-scale industries, small-scale industries. On the basis of ownership, that is the private sector industries, joint sector industry, cooperative sector industries. On the basis of bulk and weight, that is the heavy industry and the light industry. In this chapter, we are going to discuss only one type of, that is on the basis of size. On the basis of size, you can say our industry can be divided. That's the on the basis of size, or on the basis of investment, you can say in the cottage industry, small industry and large scale industry. Cottage industry, what we should do actually, what is the cottage industry? Cottage industry is the very, you can say this type of industry set up with the help of the family member, and whatever that they produce, that can be sold in the local market. So this is the basic thing we have to understand. Family members work as a labor in that industry, cottage industry, and production is very low, profit is very low, investment is very low. Land, it is also sizes, means their cottage is sufficient to do that. They're just like, you can say the bucket. The farmers, or you can say the laborers, they are making the buckets, okay, or the basket. So that this basket can be sold in the local market. So this is the cottage industry. Small scale industry, this is larger from the, so some of the you can see the group of member, and sometimes they also brought, they have to bring the some of the labor from the outside, but their profit is very less, investment is very less. This is the small scale industry. Small scale industry like pickle industry, okay, so this is the small scale industry. Then the large scale industry, if you take example large scale industry, that is, perhaps you know, that is the large scale industry. It is iron and steel industry, cotton textile industry, cement industry, okay. So this is the all type of, okay, industry. So today we only discussed on the basis of. Next slide we'll discuss a lot about this. Thank you for watching this.